Brooklyn driving school packages, right? We did a video about this on. If you have not yet watched this video, that the title of that video is the 10 best driving school, something down those line, and one of the category was the packages of the driving school. Is important for you to know that. Reason why, let me tell you why. Because oftentimes many people think that they do not need that many lessons to pass the driving, to learn how to drive, in other words, right? So with that said, you got some driving school packages that do not really size up for our category of student. See what I'm saying? So at Pierre Driving School here, we make sure that on our packages, that's why we always stress that, we always tell those people, check out those packages, see what fits you the best. Because reason why, we give you a variety of the package shape in a way. If you're an advanced student, we have a package for you. If you're a beginner student, we have a package for you. If you're a student who just need a brush-up lesson, we have a package for you. Reason why is important for the packages to ship out in a way when you get there, you feel like you're not stuck. You know, in other words, okay, I don't know what to take here. You know, I'm a new student. 3 lessons not gonna cut it. But I'm a new student, I don't need 100 lessons. So I'm going to this here. We give you a variety on those packages where you can size up. You can start here and grow from there. And on top of that, we're always making sure also, as we speaking with our driving instructor, because we do that also here at Pierre Driving School, we let you know from the hi, my name is Ben. I'm going to be your instructor for today. What lesson number is this? Oh, this is lesson number 6. Okay, great. Which package did you select? Did you get? You get the 3 lesson package, the 6 lesson package. You see I'm going with this? Because reason why, the package has a lot to do on how many lessons you will be on how many lessons you will be you will be getting, and has a lot to do on how we can spread the lesson that you have. See what I'm saying? Once we know the package that you have, it can help us spread out the lesson that you have, because knowing that this is what we working with. Okay, a lot of students been asking me that, and the lesson you take that I should take, I will refer them right back to the packages. Go on the driving school go on the driving school webpage, check out those packages. We have everything there for you to get the right size packages for you. If you're confused while you're there, give us a give us a call. Call the office. Give us a call. We definitely can help you with those. All right. Remember, it's about your safety. When it comes to driving, there is really no amount of lesson that you can take. The question is how many lessons you can afford. That's why the package at Pierre Driving School here, they vary to all sizes. No matter what stages that you are in your driving, you should be able to find a decent one that can benefit you, for you to pass and fly, for you to pass your road test with flying color. If that helped, let me know in the comment below. Like I always said, if you have anything you want us to cover here in particular, please put in the comment below. We will definitely do so. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, pierrepauldraiving.com, subscribe and hit notification icon, so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Remember, driving requires some strong responsibility. It is your duty to make sure that you get as much training that you can get, because the real lesson start the day that you pass your road test, where you're going to be on the street by yourself making decisions. All right? Ben here with Pierre Driving School. Check out the packages. Let me know anything you want us to do for you. We are located here in New York and Brooklyn, in New York City, Brooklyn, New York. We are located at 891 Clarkson Avenue. Is right between Utica and Remsen. We got 2 buses line. 2 buses. We got many buses line that run by us. It shouldn't be any reason for you not to get your license, lest you and I make it this year a wish for you to get your license. The sooner the better. Until then, keep practicing. This was a short one. I just want to make sure that I address driving lesson packages, as we be getting this coming a lot. Take care. Bye bye now, folks. Just been here.